Imagine you want to build a simple app that counts the days until your next birthday. Sounds easy, right? Well, in JavaScript it used to be an absolute nightmare. Let me show you the old way of doing this. So, we declare the variable today and initialize it with the current day. Then, we declare the variable birthday and assign the birthday to it. Next, we declare the variable difference in ms and assign the time difference in milliseconds to it. Then, we declare the variable days left and assign the remaining numbers of days to it. Finally, we print the number of remaining days to the console. Look at that, you had to subtract milliseconds and divide by 1000 times 60 times 60 times 24 just to get days. And why is August number 7? Because months started at 0. It makes no sense for beginners. And now we are going to try a new method called temporal. Now we create the variable today temporal and assign the current date with all the time zone to it. Next, we create the variable birthday temporal and assign a specific calendar date to it. We create the variable result and assign the calculated time left until the birthday to it. Finally, we print a custom message with the remaining number of days to the console. And that's it. Just 4 lines of pure logic. You get today's date, you set your birthday, you use until, and you instantly ask for days. This comparison shows why temporal is a game changer. Months finally make sense. The code is shorter and I think like a human, not like a 1995 computer. If you want to save yourself from future JavaScript headaches, hit the subscribe button and let me know in the comments which code looked easy to you. See you in the next time.